In the middle of the San Francisco Bay lies an island warehouse where a team of inventors imagines the future and builds it.
It's going to blow your mind.
It's fast-track prototyping. But are 2 weeks long enough to turn wild ideas into reality?
Full speed ahead!
On this episode of Prototype This,
That is cold.
the team takes life-saving into the 21st century with the flying LifeGuard. But can the guys really deploy a lifesaver to a swimmer in distress with the push of a button?
2, 1.
Definitely put the D in disaster.
Find out next on Prototype This. Soon, the entire crew's on a Northern California beach, site of some of the world's most challenging waves. The cannons put on solid ground. The launcher sleds unloaded, and a whirlwind begins. They have a life to save today. Joe's our intrepid aquanaut again, so Zaz fixes him up with a GPS distress signal, and soon Joe's out to sea. Team on the beach ready to save him. Joe presses the distress signal button,
In 3, 2, 1.
and his location is sent right to the onshore laptop. The cannon seeks his position, setting the precise air pressure for distance.
Here we go.
1 degree, 99 pounds.
And the cannon fires. The redesigned aerodynamic projectile spirals just over the brake line. The life vest hits the water, but did it hit the mark?
Mike says it landed 10 to 15 feet away from him.
Yay! Victorious, finally!
Joe says it looked like it was homing in on him.
The cannon was the easy part. Now it's time for the true test,
Kingfish is going into the water.
the autonomous plane. Joe kicks off the boat for another round as the dude in distress.
3, 2, 1.
And it's the moment the team's been dreading. Since the beginning, delays and complications have pushed the plane builders beyond their deadline. There's one last chance to get this right. The computer receives the signal. Joe's circuitry tells the launcher rocket to fire. And it's off. Joe's exact coordinates are fed into the autopilot system that only days ago sent the plane to ruin. And the autopilot delivers a flight plan to the plane as it soars above, sending it right to Joe's location.
Practically right over my head.
The drone automatically drops the inflatable life vest,
Incredible.
just a few feet from an out-of-breath Joe, definitely within swimming distance,
Swimming to it now, we have rescue.
and definitely a working life-saving device.